Hey my Tiffany J inspired friends, I'm here to show you a very quick video of a new tradition me and my family are starting this year. This is the Christmas Eve gift basket, and I thought this was really cute for my son to open as his first gift, and not only that, it creates new family memories for years to come. How cute is this Santa bucket that I purchased from Dollar Tree? It is really cute and it's actually a really good size. I really thought these little plush toys were really cute. At my local Dollar Tree, they came in 3 different styles. They had the reindeer, of course, the Santa Claus, and they had an elf. I love this mug that I got from Dollar Tree. This was one of my favorite purchases. There were so many to choose from. I had a hard time choosing, but I fell in love with the little gingerbread man, and I thought this would be cute for me and my husband to use. We'll use ours with our coffee. And I also purchased the little children mugs. I thought they were cute because of the top. It's easy for my son to drink out of without spilling it everywhere. And he'll use his for his hot chocolate. And once again, there were so many styles to choose from. I love the variety of family socks that they have at Dollar Tree this year, and they're actually really comfortable. This year, I definitely want to read a couple Christmas stories on Christmas Eve before the children go to bed. And these books are beautifully illustrated. I definitely had to get the Christmas story just to share with my children the true meaning of the season, as well as 'Twas the Night Before Christmas. And once again, the illustrations are so beautiful, and they were only $1 at Dollar Tree. They had so many other styles to choose from, and I just thought it was such a great deal. I just want to thank you all for tuning into this video. I did not want to go another day without sharing this idea that me and my family will be doing this year on Christmas Eve. And I hope that you all enjoy and have a very Merry Christmas.